Hello lovelies, welcome to this practice of Sitali Pranayama. As we experiencing such an extreme heat wave right now in England with the temperature reaching 40 degrees, I've been teaching Sitali Pranayama, the cooling breath pranayama in all my yoga classes this week. Sitali Pranayama brings the resonance with the water element and therefore has this cooling, soothing effect. It's very moistening for the body and mind system. And as much as it's great to practice it in the hot climate, as much as it reduces the heat from the body, it's also very, very good for insomnia, for irritability, for releasing tension and stress. Okay, so let's come on the yoga mat and we'll start with the practice right now. So as with all pranayama practice, we will start with free clearing breath. Okay, so we take deep breaths through the nose and we exhale through the mouth. 2 more times like that. Excuse my puppy to making noises as he also doesn't cope that well with the heat. And after free clearing breath, we are ready for practice of Sitali Pranayama. So in Sitali Pranayama, we inhale through the mouth. Not only we inhale through the mouth, we roll the tongue this way and we sip the air. As long as possible, bringing the air first through the tongue and bringing this cooling watery energy to your body. As slow as possible, this inhalation. And then we exhale slowly, slowly through the nose this time. Okay, and for those of you who cannot really roll the tongue, as I've been doing, you can simply make your mouth in this O shape and just keep the tongue near the lips. So the tongue is rolling a little bit, and in this way you can continue bringing the air through the tongue, feeling this watery cooling energy, spreading this energy through your whole body, and then slowly exhaling through the nose. Okay, so let us start. Relax your shoulders and neck. Come to a nice, comfortable seated position. I'm in the cross-legged seated position, but you can sit on a chair, any other comfortable position. And let's start. Inhale through the mouth. As slowly as possible, keep going. Don't be shy, allow this noise of this not very elegant noise of like little child drinking noisily the water. Just sip in this cooling watery breath in Spread it through your body, feel this coolness, this refreshment in your body, and then also very, very slowly exhale through the nose. Keep going. And just pay attention to your shoulders. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Nice tall spine, body symmetrical and balanced. And let's do 4 more breaths like this. And the last one. And continue breathing naturally, just observing the effects of this pranayama, the refreshing, cooling, soothing energy of the waters, connecting with the water element. Very nourishing for the body, for the skin, and especially great in hot weather. Okay, so this is something you can practice when you're experiencing hot weather or this great body heat. However, this is not something to be done in other seasons. It's especially nothing to be done when you have cold or cough. You don't want more of this moisture, moisturizing energy in your system. So this pranayama can be helpful for some personalities, for very fiery personalities, but it's not always recommended for other body types, especially for people who suffer from depression and this low energy. During the heat, it's great, it brings this refreshment and coolness, but on other days you might want to find out more about the effects of the elements on your system and what actually you need most. I hope you enjoy this practice. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and we will guide you through other yoga techniques. Have a lovely day and I see you soon. Namaste.